Oh, hello mga katutong. Hello mga katutong. Ako nga pala, si Totong Bravo.
Hindi ako si Totong Bravo. It's me, GRACEZY MEOW. So, nag-make out ako doon. Ketchup lang iring. Ketchup. So, mag-tutor pala ako guys ang aking notebook because why not? Okay. So, this is my notebook kasi paano kasi? Dinulugan ko lang. Una kong gagawin ko sana to absuran ng module ko. Tingnan mo. This is how I make my module. Like, may mga design. Kasi, I'm stylish. Just kidding. Okay. And this is, di ko pa tapos yan. Dalawa lang yan. Tapos, sumuko na agad ako. Then, this is clothes. Mamaya makikita nyo kung sino yung taga-wear ng clothes na mga dito. Kasi, itong clothes na ere, meron dyan, no clothes. So, this is my favorite clothes. By the way, paper daw pala, DIY. I just made it by myself. Look at that. So cute, right? Okay, this is so, yeah. This one is my favorite because mahilig ako sa mga ganito dati. This one is parang siyang hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko na yun. It's so cute. I like. And meron pa isa. Tatlo na ang ere. Pero may susunod pa akong gagawin. Ere. Ang ganda dito. And sa likod pangalan ko. And I like it. Tapos kinurisan ko siya. Like, I put something. Akala ko magiging maganda pero hindi naging maganda. Pero maganda pa. Maganda to. Let's put it back. Ba't ako English Shara? I don't know. Okay. So this is the hat. By the way, this is the name of my paper doll. And this is the hat. Kaya, tatlo lang ata ang aking hats. So, this is that thing. Like, pag pinot mo siya sa head mo, like that. Wow, cute ko. Parang ganyan. It looks so good. Mamaya, iti-try ko sa kanya. Because, why not? Sa rin bow. Maliit lang kasi yun siya, yung bow. Kaya, mahatagal yung hanap. I think it's fine. Wala na. Wala nang aking bow. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Mamaya, try. So, this is the thing. So, ito pangalan niya. Peach yung pangalan niya, Peach. And, this is where she lives. Meron mga design. Butterfly, rainbow, some tingning, and some hearts, and some smiley face. And, this is the reveal doll. Okay, so yeah. Okay. So let's count the tray. I did some things that pangit, like me. Maganda ko da. This is how it opens. Dang! Ito siya. She looks so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Look at that. And I'm going to try on the hats because kanina sinabi ko kasi na ito try kasi ang cute niya doon sa dito. Look at this. I'm not just going to get it right now. Look at that. Right? It's so cute, right? I know. So, let's put on the 3 dresses I make for her kasi para makita nyo kung paano siya kaganito sa dresses na ginawa ko sa kanya. First, this is my favorite dress I made. Let's put it on. Look at this. Look at that. Diba? It's so cute, right? I should make a business. Joke lang, ayoko mag-build ng business. Lazy ako. I'm so lazy. Oh my gosh! She like... Okay, so a fun hair. Where is that? Okay, this, and let's put on this. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. It said yak marunong. My God. That's what I got. Yung isa kasi. At ito nakita ko. Yung favorite dan. Ito ang favorite ko naman. Oh. Parang hindi panda ang kanyang kamay. Tingnan nyo. Parang hindi siya pa. Right? Ito yung mahaba, tapos ito maiksi. I made a mistake. But it's okay. Okay, let's put her back in. On this thing. It's called locker. Locker? Locker ba ere? I don't know. Para siyang closet. And I'm going to put it her here. Kasi. Yun lang. Ito. Tapos ito sa aking sa aking doll. Paper doll. So I just made this art. It look like that. It's so simple. And I like it. And this tree, it has smiley face on it, and she's so cute. It's like me. I don't know. And this one is, I just made it because on TikTok I see it, and I just made it, and I have my signature right here, and I said weird core, and it's really creepy, but it's okay. It's just a drawing, pero di naman sa totoong buhay. So yeah, and this is my Tita Happy, and she's so beautiful and got like long but I'm short like neck like that. And she has many like Bertuldok nunaw, many nunaw. Sa akin yung sa mata and dito, pero natatakpan. Dito naman is my favorite style nails, and I like this one because it's rainbow, and this fire, and this is Philippines. I like that so much. I don't know what this is called. I know I'm drawing like country, I don't know, China, I think. Okay, this is my art, and it's so colorful, and I like the sun because it's like that. And this is my name, and Tita Happy made it for me. But ako yung naglagay ng mga ganito. And like here, we got our green na pen na sinulat sa aking pangalan because I like it. And this Gracie, Dominic, and Ping Ping. Ping Ping is my hayo nickname. So this is empty, and this is Ping. Like I just put it here and like this. I wrote that. Then I put some other paper in it because it's like that. Then I glued it. And this is the background for my doll. And hindi pa siya tapos because I'm lazy that time. So yeah. Hindi pa to tapos din. Penguin to siya. Pero hindi siya tapos. And this is, I just draw it like yesterday and December. And I'm going to put some gift here because why not? Pero di pa tapos. And this is mushroom. I like this mushroom so much. And there's a name here, and this is my name, Gracie Dominic Sibantillo. And the card here is empty, but this H is so special. And this is anime I draw, and when I'm drawing the eyes, I don't like it, so I scribble all around it. I don't like it. And this is some of my sketch, and I like this sketch so much. So when I sketch that, after that, this sketch right here, I made a thing. I made her, and the eyes is so ugly. But there's a thing. What happened? There's a thing where if you can see it, it's so mistake. There's a head and this like thing. Then she's like, he's like, what's that? Because of the thing right here. It's her mother. So this thing right here is, I don't know. It's from a movie that called Up, and I really want to try it, but I forgot what color is the wall, so I just make it this color, but I don't really know if it's like that color. So here on the back page of our notebook, we draw like this thing, and the pink is me, and I'm the winner. Tapos dito winner din ako. Tapos dito hindi ako winner. Walang winner. Ay, hindi pala ako winner dito. Hindi din ako winner. Ito lang yung winner. Ito yung ano to? SOS, I think. And we go like that thing. It's like nighttime. It's 9:48 a.m. and there's like motorcycle on that, and they're like disrespectful. Like that. I don't know. And dami nung tutulog, and they're like raw. Parang may tinatakbuhan. Nakakatakot, diba? Pero, yan. Ito ang aking madami akong ganaran. And dito si tita, and this is me. Konti lang sa akin. So, it's okay. Because it's just a day. What is this? Oh, I just draw something in, like, in the middle of my notebook. I don't know why. Oh. Right here, I draw this guy. I don't know who he is. I don't know. Nakita ko siya sa aking ulo. Tapos tinawag ko, ayun lang. At kasi Tita Hape ang pangalan niya. Sinulat ko. And my handwriting is not good enough. But, so cute. Okay lang yan. And some sketches are here. And so I draw a hand. And it's look like that. But it's, I don't like it. And like that. Some of that. I like it. And there's one here, the hands, and it's unfinished. I don't know. Meron pa ba ako ditong wala na. That's all. That's all for today. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. God bless. Bye. It's me, GRACEZY, the next bunch of you, and bye.